In 1897 he came down and he developed the Tata Industries. Hundreds and hundreds of industries they started throughout the world. Show me one Tata industry is in strike, one Tata industry is unable to run and they close down the unit. Show me one. Throughout the world. They are in the leather, they are in the textile, they are in the water, they are in the sand. You buy all the product, they are there. That's the value base they are supposed to develop it. If a daughter of a man gets an employment in Infosys and Wipro and Tata's pays half the salary of the other two. If these people pay 50,000, those people will pay 30,000 rupees. In spite of that, parents says, let my daughter join in Tata's. Why? What for? The amount of training they give, the amount of value they result during the training, everyone is glad over Tata's, right? That's the greatness. Today we are all happy in this world, in this country, only because of this. Who's the next man? APJ Abdul Kalam ji is another great hero of this country. I was fortunate to talk twice years. He was a boat puller in Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. When I lost my father, my mother made me to get up early in the morning at 3:30. The widow, no education. You can understand the personality. Widow, no education. Took this boy to a Butler Junction, put a bundle of Indian newspapers on his head, started carrying the newspaper to everybody's home, distribute the newspaper up to 7 o'clock in the morning, come back to the home, take bath, whatever he eats and goes to the school. That's how my life went on. Whatever the paisa I earn, that is the bread and butter for myself and my mother. That was the type of style of life I led, and I came to this situation. Right? And you are rich enough where you can go to the salons and all that. So my mother was not that enough. What is the bread I get? That is the bread and butter for myself and mother. We were not in a position to go for the haircut so long, like you all. Sir, if you don't mind, one more question, sir. Please ask. At the time you have said you are poor enough, you can't spare money. At least now you are rich enough. Why can't you have a haircut? At least now you are the president of the country. You need not pay any money. Why can't you go for the haircut? Into that question. Then he said, by looking at me, you can imagine what type of mother I have. Though she is illiterate, though she did not have the husband, she nurtured the values in me and made me as the president of this country. You can imagine what type of mother I have. To remember my mother, on the face of my mother, let me have a hair so long, what's wrong in it? She is not available in this world. She has got died long back. In respect to my mother, let the hair go, I don't care for it. Look at his truth and honesty. He has got Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Bharat.